Hello. I'm going to be transforming my girlfriend into one of the most beautiful women I've ever met in my lifetime. So yeah, here we go. So first, I'm gonna start off with the base. She got good skin. It don't look good right now, but she do got good skin.
I didn't realize is, you know, can't flog nog, and then golf backwards is flog.
Whoa, no, backwards is Wayne. Golf Wayne.
You're so dumb. You are really dumb, for real.
I'm gonna start off with the base. I'm just gonna do some powder foundation, so we can give that light skin effect. You know what I mean? Also, she doesn't know who I'm turning her into right now. She just knows she's gonna be beautiful, right, babe? You're looking good, Toots. You're looking so good.
I am.
Let me taking this color for her base.
You've been acting awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes lately, but inside it's just a little baby.
Also, she has a crook. What do y'all say, crook or crick? I say crook. She has a crook on her neck, so that's why she's turning weird.
Oh God, you're looking good. So good.
So good. Yum. Alright, so now we're gonna do the eyebrows. She has really nice dark black eyebrows. You better stop before we get copyrighted.
Chopper, please don't copyright me.
You're the best, hun bunch.
Yeah.
But this girl, her eyebrows aren't the best, but there's something. She tried it.
We in this bitch, finna get crunk. Eyebrows on fleek, the fuck.
Alright, look down. So we're back. I kind of made them thick because she has really thick eyebrows, but... So now I'm going to start with the contouring. And then I'll get the hair set up.
Oh my God.
What?
He just poured Jack Daniels into a Capri Sun.
Eyebrows are about the same. So we're going to start with contouring and then we're going to do the eye makeup. We're going to start off with the nose. Okay, so then we're gonna just add some bake because this is a little pale her than Olivia. Alright, so I think the nose is done. We're gonna let that bake and sit for a while. Look down. Yes, alright. So next is the little cute butt chin she has. Oh, she's cute. She's cute. That's kind of her. Chisel jaw. Alright, now we're gonna do the eyeliner.
It is. Oh, okay. I hate that.
I'm just giving you a big eyeball effect.
Are you turning me into an anime girl?
Kind of. Kind of an anime girl. She asked if I'm turning her into an anime girl. I said kind of. Oh my God, you're so cute. She has a red nose. So we're just gonna give her that red button nose. That's kind of how I do my makeup, you know?
If XXX Tentacion was on Murder on My Mind.
Oh, you're looking cute, sis. I tap that. I kind of like this look. She has like that red, well, that like red and black lipstick look. Overline your lips just a little. Too much. Here I am done actually, but I'm gonna show you the finished look. Oh my god!
You didn't
Look at
give
me.
Shadow.
I don't usually do shadow.
Oh,
I'm going for a look.
that.
So cute. I'm turn this way and this way. Let me try to add the wig. Hold this, but don't look at yourself. Just keep it on your face, but don't look at yourself. You can say something to the audience and tell them how you think you look and how pretty you feel.
I don't know. I'm kind of scared. I feel like you're pranking me.
You look so beautiful. I gave you the same look I did. I did
For real?
eyebrows, I did eyeliner, I did the red nose, I did the nose contour, I did the cheekbones. So what would you
Did you do like your everyday look?
Well,
I
I
look
made
like
it look
Brookie?
like it look like another girl. Like another
girl.
internet viral makeup guru.
I'm
Only have-
scared to be in the makeup guru industry. I don't know
I only
if
have
that's
this
me.
wig, but we'll make it work. Oops.
She just knocked y'all out.
Drop my phone. Maybe that's karma.
Karma for what?
Me being mean to you earlier.
It's okay.
Look at me. Smile. This wig. The wig's like up here. And you're like, it's cute, but it's just the wig.
Where my bangs at?
Maya is a no-no.
Maya?
Maya is a no-no. Oh my god, my phone fell on me. Well, I have to push it this way.
She got the same hairstyle?
Babe, stop pushing everything and just let me fix how it's supposed to be.
Not agree.
No, the girls don't wear makeup, don't they?
Oh. Well, you could have made me like pale like her, because I got all this hair in my face. I feel like her.
Like that. Do like this. Wait.
That?
Why you look so sad?
Know how I feel. Why would you say that?
Cause I feel like you pretty.
This wig, baby. It gotta go. Okay. No. Like, wait. Like. I'm sorry.
What is this?
Turn this way. Go like. Wait. You still
What
like
did
this.
you do? King, what'd she do to me?
Oh my god. Come here, come in the mirror.
I'm gonna cry. I'm scared to even look in the mirror. I just scared myself. I'm gonna have nightmares.
Oh my god, I can't breathe. I think this is the best thing we've ever done. Say hee 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 hee. Do it.
You're Michael Jackson! Hee hee!
I don't agree with this at all.
that.
Well, now I know not to ever trust you. Is that supposed to be a butt chin?
Yeah.
Now I know to never trust you.
Look, you look really strong.
When doing my makeup. I don't never want you to do my makeup again without me seeing it. I knew this wasn't real.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna insert. Oh no! I forgot to do the nose. Wait, I gotta do the nose.
Oh, she got the nose. Like this is enough. Is this not enough?
No, I gotta do the nose. And then we gotta repose. Cause his nose is like that.
That sounds like straight alcohol. What's he doing on?
I don't know. Probably he's alone.
Yeah, hit him with the.
Wait, let me do it again.
This hair is not it, sis.
Do it again. You're so pretty.
No, I'm not.
Alright, so we're gonna try to take some pictures and try to get the best replication. Get on the wall. So we gotta do some more touch-ups, baby. We're gonna put you on Hollywood and make you the baddest bitch walking. You're so beautiful. Hey.
Y'all is Michael Jackson!
You did really good. We only
I'll
took
kill
2
myself.
pictures. You wanna go see if your folks are awake?
They're not texting me back. I don't want to walk in there. Julie gonna shoot me. I'm so scared to walk in. I really want to do it though.
You look so beautiful. Just go out there and lay over them. Go lay in the bed with them. Just lay in the middle like this. They don't shoot your ass. Just go in there.
I'm scared to go start punching me. Dang. I am scared. I feel like I'm gonna die tonight. Is Mama awake? No. Should I wake her up, my baby? Oh my god.
Did you tell her who you were?
You know who I am? Or do you want to wait till you get off the toilet? Oh, you are somebody. That's why I'm gonna die.
Do the dance.
Who are you? Michael Jackson! Oh, no, I thought you were a little girl.
Oh my god.
Should I wait for you or should I go ahead and go in there? You should go ahead and go in there. If I turn on the lights, do you think it's gonna wake her up? No. Okay. I'm good.
You wanna hold the camera?
Police verified that Jenna Rosa had been in New York City with her kids. Over a 2-hour drive from East Hampton on the weekend Ted was killed. With such a high-profile case and no confirmed suspects, the pressure to solve the murder. I'm trying to figure out who's looking at. You look like somebody I know. I was like, what are they doing here? Hot fix ass, I'm not. You know, you look much better. Get off! Out! No, get out.
Am I scaring you?
That's how people get the national influence.
What? What?
Let me lay with you.
We tried to run for governor one day and that should have been
Good night, Julie.
Good night, bro.
Come on, Olivia.
Olivia, get out of here. Come on, knock your ass out. Hell, you're scary teen.
Do you see?
Get out of here. Come on, knock you out. Is
So
this
good.
recording or pictures?
Why do you keep pushing me?
Let me see.
It's like waking up from a nightmare.
The spin. Ooh. What did she say?
It's like waking up from a nightmare.
No, from the governor. This is something about the
I
governor.
don't know what she was talking about.
Yeah.
Bro, get this stuff off my face, bro. I'm scared of myself.
Alright, so do your outro.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Is that Michael's voice?
And then, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And please, and please check out my music in the link description below. New music video dropping soon. I do it again.